Dear students, today we will be talking about a previous year question, which is an MCQ question from last year's question paper, 2025 session. Question paper code is 65/1/3. This is the question. The unit vector perpendicular to the vectors I cap minus j cap and I cap plus j cap is, these are the options which are provided. We have to see which of the following option is correct. So let us suppose that vector A is equal to I cap minus j cap and vector B is equal to I cap plus j cap. We have to find out vector A cross vector B, and we know that cross product of vector A and vector B has to be perpendicular to vector A and vector B. We are looking for the unit vector perpendicular to these two vectors. That means we need to find out A cross B vector upon magnitude of vector A cross vector B. Without wasting time, let's find out vector A cross vector B, which is equal to I cap, j cap, k cap, 1 minus 1, 0, 1, 1, 0. It is going to give you I cap 0 minus 0 minus j cap 0 minus 0 plus k cap 1 plus 1. Now this is solved by using the concept of determinants, which was going to give you 0 I cap minus 0 j cap plus 2 k cap. Now magnitude of vector A cross vector B is equal to root of 0 square plus 0 square plus 2 square, which is equal to root of 4, that is equal to 2. Putting everything here in vector A cross vector B on magnitude of vector A cross vector B, you get 2 k cap upon 2, cancels 2, you are left with k cap. So k cap is the right answer. Let's see either, yes, option A is the correct answer. I hope I'm able to solve your queries. And for more previous year questions, please like, share, and subscribe the channel. Stay tuned. Thank you.